Hi everyone, Chris Holbert here. This is the first in a series of screencasts to show you how to make an iOS app for choosing wallpapers. I'll just show you the inspiration for this app. So there's this website called Wallhaven, which, as the name implies, is a haven for wallpapers. And there's an app for it on Android called Wally, which is quite popular. And there's no such equivalent app on iOS, so I decided to make such an app. And as part of making it, I thought I'd take screencasts of the process as learning for anyone who's wanting to learn how to make iOS apps. So yeah, let's get started. In this screencast, we'll set things up in Xcode to begin with. So you'll launch Xcode, which you'll hopefully have already installed from the Mac App Store. We'll create a new Xcode project. Okay, you want iOS, application, and to start off, a good place to start is a single view application, because then you don't get too much template stuff. Alright, we'll choose a product name. Let's call it Wallbase, or WallBrowser. As the language, I'm going to go with Objective-C, as I'm pretty confident that at this stage Swift isn't quite ready for prime time. Maybe at next WWDC they'll release a version of Swift which is got all the issues ironed out. And for the devices, let's start with iPhone, just to begin with. But that's easy to change later on. Okay, where are we going to store this? In my dev folder. That sounds like a great place. Alright, so we've made a new empty project. Let's fire it up. You just hit the play button. That opens it in the simulator. Let's give it a while. Alright, here we go. Now the iPhone 6 has actually got a higher resolution than my MacBook, so one thing you can do is change the scale down to 75% to fit it on, or maybe even 50%. 50% seems to fit, so we'll go with that. And as you can see, there's not much to see, but this is the iPhone simulator. We'll stop that, and I'll show you where the files are on the computer. So here's the folder that Xcode created for us, called WallBrowser. Inside it there's the project file, there's the unit tests, and there's the source code, WallBrowser. The app delegate, this is kind of like your equivalent of the main method, the main entry point, or your main in C. These are where your image assets go. This is your info plist, which is kind of like a manifest that controls all the functions of the app. This main.m, you never really touch that one. And view controller. This is something that the template gave us, which we will probably get rid of later. Alright, and that's the first step. We've created a blank template project. Thanks for watching.